told your subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just Messenger not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. And also you can try to go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Messenger, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Messenger. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.